Nollywood actress Bimpe recently celebrated her union with Yusuf in a heartfelt nikah ceremony. Sharing photos from the wedding, Bimpe expressed gratitude for a successful event and thanked her husband and loved ones for their love and acceptance. Prior to the wedding, she had announced her engagement on Instagram, expressing excitement for their upcoming journey. Bimpe also went Instagram official with her fiancé, appreciating his unwavering support. Yusuf, a movie producer based in Minnesota, USA, is Bimpe's fiancé.